hey, 1, 2. Yeah, yeah, hey, 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 ah, 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 ah. Yeah, yeah, ah, ah. Hey, we got an empty room, Mike. Hey, hey, ah, 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 ah.
Is this okay or further? Can we push it down?
A little bit, yeah. Dissociate. Put her at a slight diagonal then. Just so she's not looking over her shoulder, you know? Thank you. Check. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah.
Yes. Mike is nice this level. Thank you.
Hey, Spade. Are you ready to witness the fitness of Roots Manuva? Okay, you sound ready. Let me see how ready you are, okay? So right about now, Roots Manuva is gonna come and bless the stage. If you know about Roots Manuva, you know you're about to witness something you never witnessed before. So right now, be upstanding, make some noise for Roots Manuva! Hey! Hola, Barcelona! Funny business, definition and position and the passion is. Make some noise for Roots Manuva! Big up yourself, crowd. Big up yourself. Make some noise for yourself, Sonar. Massive. Thanks for having us.
Barcelona!
Make some noise one more time for Roots Manuva! Whoa! He's got the power. This is the next generation Roots Manuva.